ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಹಿಂದಿನಿಂದಲೂ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರ ಜೊತೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಗ್ರಾಹಕರ ಮೌಲ್ಯಯುತವಾದ ವಸ್ತುಗಳಿಗೆ ಭದ್ರತೆ ನೀಡುವ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಸೇಫ್ ಲಾಕರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಳವಡಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇದೀಗ ನೂತನವಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಥೋಲಿಕ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಬಳಿಯ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ ಪ್ರಾದೇಶಿಕ ಕಚೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೂತನವಾಗಿ ಸೇಫ್ ಲಾಕರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅನುಷ್ಠಾನಕ್ಕೆ ತರಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ ಸಿಇಒ ಮೃತ್ಯುಂಜಯ ಮಹಾಪಾತ್ರ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ ಪ್ರಬಂಧಕ ಭಾಸ್ಕರ್ ಹಂದೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಮತ್ತಿತರರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
Now what will happen is that you will open it and go away.
Okay. Now it cannot.
Now you will operate.
Okay.
When you operate, nobody will be in your presence.
Yes. Okay.
When you go, you will just lock it.
Yes.
And again it will open only with 2 keys.
Okay. Okay. Now if master comes, then only it can do. No. I will lock and.
If you go to the branch, what you will find is that all types of customers are there. Whereas our locker customers are generally valuable customers. They want privacy, they want attention, they want to do things on one-to-one basis, they want relaxation, they want upper class atmosphere. So by separating the locker plaza from the common banking hall, or as you would have seen, generally the locker, for accessing the locker room, you will go through a leeway which is not good, which is behind the counter, where other documents are strewn, or the bank strong room is also there. By separating this, what we are innovating is that we are giving you an exclusive kind of an experience, where you will come. Only locker will be there, an exclusive officer or an employee will be there. You can talk regarding anything, you can have coffee, you can dress up, you can get up. In fact, I have seen in many places, the locker plazas are so good that, you dress up at home, come to the locker plaza, take out your thing and, you dress up and go. Or documents, you come here and you have coffee, go to the court, deposit back your documents, go back home.
respected executive directors, the Nageshwar of this, the Krishna Prasad, and our the clients, local clients who are gathered here, and also my other colleagues present here. Good evening to all of you. This idea of locker plaza was conceived and was expressed by our MD and CEO during the month of February when he was here at Manipal, and he advised that every regional office should have to have the locker plazas so that the income earned out of that can be used for payment of salaries to the employees. So the regional office should be a self-sustaining center. So with that, his direction is within 1 month of his advice. Now today we are opening at Udupi, regional office 1 and 2, and shortly we will be opening at Mangalore, which is almost getting ready. Karwar is also almost ready. Other regional offices will be opening shortly, and our endeavor is that each of these regional office locker centers or locker plazas will have minimum 300 to 400 lockers, so that the high value customers can come and take the lockers, and we can also cross sell the products to them. So with these few words and with the blessings of MD and CEO and the executive directors in their auspicious presence today inaugurated the locker plaza of Udupi 1 and 2, and also we have opened a Sing Delight lounge.
Our MD and CEO, Shri Mahapatraji, our Shri Krishna Executive Director, and Mr. Bhaskar, General Manager, Regional Managers, and my dear seniors. It's a pleasure for me to be with you in this holy place of Lord Krishna, and also having the occasion to meet all of you here. In continuation to what our Executive Director just said, we are on the running spree. Today, for this 30th June quarter, we have opened 32 new branches, and we had plans to open 250 branches during the year. And also, with the increase in technology use, we are going to reach the customers at the fastest speed, be it their retail lending advances, or be it their MSME advances in case they are into business, or be it their education loan for the students, aspiring students who are continuing their education. We are there to serve you at all times, and with the since the application that's through applied done through mobile app, we can reach you all at the earliest possible time to meet your requirements, aspirations. And also, as a part of this, we have conducted about 150 Housing Loan Expo also at various places in the country.
Rao, Mr. Bhaskar Gandhi, the regional head, and other colleagues of me from the Udupi and the Manipal. Very good evening to all. It's a great pleasure for me to be with you all this evening. Basically, this locker plaza at the regional office is towards giving a elite service to the esteemed customers. We have about 95 regional offices spread across the length and breadth of the country. So in addition to the branches, we thought that why not we give best of the service to our customers by opening the locker plaza, where we have the spaces, we have the infrastructure, we can give the state-of-the-art infrastructure and the comfort when you walk in. That is the sole idea of having such a locker plaza